So I'm going to share with you some of the classic theories of why we laugh. And one is the incongruity theory. So if there's a sudden change in expectations or something doesn't pan out, we find it funny. So it could be a sight gag. Then there's cruel laughter. It could be the rule of three. We've all heard jokes about an Aussie, a Swede and a Brazilian walk into a bar. The reason that there are three is the first one sets up the pattern, the second one confirms the pattern, the third one breaks it. That's called the violation, when a pattern that we expect breaks. Which is why you don't need less than three, because it's not enough to set up the pattern, and you don't need more than three. That's why jokes don't start with a Swede, a Mexican, a Brazilian, a Brit, a Scot, a Welsh person, a Colombian, a Venezuelan, and a Mexican walk into a bar and the barman says, "There's too many of you for the joke, get out." A university joke using the rule of three would be something like, "What do you call a Melbourne Uni graduate? Boss." What do you call an RMIT graduate? General manager. What do you call a Monash graduate? Driver. Hey. That brings me to the second one. Punching down. Superiority is a whole brand of comedy. And unfortunately, there's a long history of punching down at groups that we feel we're superior to. The only forgivable one is when it's to yourself, okay? So there's quite a few PhDs in the room. How do you tell if someone's got a PhD? Don't worry, they'll tell you. And then, of course, there's the relief theory. The relief theory is basically you build up tension and then you release it and you laugh. So a practical joke where something's being set up, you think something's gone wrong, and then it was real, it was set up, and it was okay. In comedy, the relief theory often works when the comedian starts looking at the people in the front row that he may talk to. And the people at the back are laughing because they're not sitting where you are. It's cruel, but as the comedian gets closer to people, you can feel people, and this is the universal language of don't pick me, they just stare into space. Because they think eye contact is the thing that's going to trigger it. I am going to speak to this man over here. Gotcha. Okay, hi, what's your name? Givanta. Seriously? Givanta. Okay. Give an answer. Givanta. Givanta. I got it. I'll get it. I've got it. Okay. Hi, and been to a comedy festival show before?
I've been to one. Yes, I'm not in one, but.
So, are you a bit nervous?
But now, yeah.
Well, that's normal. Okay. So, you've got your phone with you? Have you got your phone?
I do.
Could you maybe... Oh, by the way, did you know that if you make someone laugh, they will share intimate information with you?
Oh, I'm not laughing, so...
Well, I'm going to do it anyway, because I have to. Okay, you've got your phone. What I want you to do is to find the last text that you sent, because I'm going to get you to read it out.
The last text I said, like tonight? Or...
Yeah, tonight, the last text you sent. Oh, there was a collective like I've invaded someone's privacy. But the microphone gives me omnipotent power to do that, apparently. Okay, have you got one? Okay, what have we got?
Hey mate, looking forward to catching up for a proper laugh. Just got to get through this show first.
You've got to get through this show first before you laugh. You were laughing before. Is this a show?
No, I mean I'm hoping to laugh through the show.
Who did you send it to?
A work mate of mine.
Are they in the room? Are they here?
They are. Yep. They're here. They're standing up, and I think they're getting through it as well.
Who is that?
Oh, it's you, Jeff.
It's me, ladies and gentlemen. Will you thank Gavanta Silva, our plant, for the audience? That's the relief theory. Gavanta was our designated plant, and in behavioural science, They use plant sometimes to pretend to be something else to get people to behave in a different manner. They're also called Confederates, but I think plant is less weird than calling someone a Confederate these days.